Today, my vegan friends will rejoice. Today I'm going to show you how to do an absolutely beautiful Greek-style baked okra dish. Very classic, very traditional, super easy, all done in one pan, and you are absolutely going to love it. So, first things first, I'm going to preheat our oven to about 375 Fahrenheit or about 180 degrees Celsius. Get that off and going. I am using an enamelware baking dish. You can use whatever you have. This is fantastic because I can prepare it in here, bake it off in here, and then serve it. Perfect. So, to get us started, the main ingredient, okra. So, I'm just getting some frozen okra here. In this case, I'm using about 4 cups of okra, which is about enough for about 4 people, give or take. Oh, there's a couple extra because Greeks are eating this. So the first order of business is our tomato sauce. And for this, I'm going to use literally 1 cup of crushed tomatoes. Nothing complicated at all. Very simple. And here in Greece, they have these little cubes that have exactly 1 cup in them, and it's absolutely fantastic. Very convenient. Very, very convenient. I'm going to do a little bit of salt. You need salt in this dish, and that's totally up to you how much you want. I'm going to do a little bit of pepper. Perfect. Always to taste. Now, onion. 1 onion will go into this, and I'm just going to put it off to the side here. And I love cooking with onions this way because I chop them not on a board, but right into the dish. And very simply, just cut them into pieces. Nothing complicated at all. That's perfect right there. My onion is chopped in. I'm going to take about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of oregano. Is going to be part of my flavor profile as well. And of course, some Greek extra virgin olive oil. There is absolutely nothing like this. And again, for this, it is aladero, which is oil-based, olive oil-based. So I'm going to do a very generous 1/3 of a cup for this. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. All right, now, lastly, I'm just going to put in some water and just to give us something to cook down with. And you're going to do about a 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of water for this. So now all we need to do is just real quick mix up our okra, just nice and easy without getting anything all over the place. Perfect. Now, for those of you that think that vegan cooking is tofu, you guys really should look at the Greek cuisine as in general, because probably 50 to 60% of Greek food is vegan based. So now I've mixed in now my okra. It's ready to go with my onion and my tomato sauce. I'm going to pop this into my 375 degree oven uncovered for about 35 to 45 minutes, or until your okra is done and nice and tender, and it'll be ready to go. All right, so now this is out of the oven. It's been sitting here for about 10 minutes. My okra is done to absolute perfection. You can see here, it is very, very soft, fork tender, but not overdone. They're not mush basically, and that's definitely what we don't want. Now, this is a meal in itself that you only need basically 2 things. Some fresh, crusty Greek bread and feta. Can't forget of the feta. And here I have some local feta. Just got this earlier today, and it is absolutely fantastic. Now, I'm going to serve this family style, And there is no better way than to just let people kind of go in there, do their thing, dig in, and enjoy. So, look, very simply, I got about 100, 120 grams of feta. I'm just gonna plop this in the middle just like that. From there, I'm gonna take a little bit of my olive oil and just lightly just drizzle it on top and all around. That's all. Just a kiss. That's all you need. This dish is ready to be enjoyed. Oh, let me get rid of this. It is ready to be enjoyed just the way it is. So now, let me give this a whirl. This is really, really hot, eh? Holy. And naturally, I'm wearing a white shirt for this. Oh, that's hot. That is so good. Wow. Oh my God. The okra is perfect. It's not like runny and snotty and gross like, like my mom used to make it, and I wouldn't eat it because of that. If you do it this way, it'll be fork tender, but melt in your mouth without being runny. So that's it, my friends, for this episode. I hope you learned something. I hope you try this. This is a very, very simple one-pot meal, ready to go in well under an hour, and you will love it. Whether you're a vegan, vegetarian, or not, which I am not, I find this dish so satisfying. For this recipe and so many others, check me out online as well at kensgreektable.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please take care of yourselves and each other, and keep cooking, and much love from Greece. Bye for now.